Best GPS speed for accurate speed tracking. GPS speedometers are essential for accurate speed measurement. They provide precise data, helping you avoid speed limits. These devices are portable and easy to install. Perfect for any vehicle. With many options on the market, choosing the right one can be challenging. List number 1. Car New Speedometer. Experience driving with the Joycar New Speedometer HUD GPS display. This device shows your speed clearly on your windshield. Easy plug-and-play setup with USB cable. Perfect for cars and trucks, ensuring safe travels. Bright green display for quick speed checks. Reliable performance for everyday driving needs. Advantages: simple installation with plug-and-play USB cable. No hassle. Provides clear digital speed readings directly in your line of sight. Enhances driving safety by reducing the need to look down. Works in all vehicles, cars and trucks alike. Universal compatibility. Bright green display ensures visibility in any lighting conditions. List number 2. Sinotrack Digital GPS. Discover the Sinotrack Digital GPS Speedometer, a must-have for every vehicle. Its 5.5-inch large LCD display ensures easy visibility. Enjoy precise speed readings with MPH options. Stay safe with fatigue driving alerts and overspeed alarms. Track your trips effortlessly using the built-in trip meter. Perfect for all cars, enhancing your driving experience. Advantages: stay informed with a large 5.5-inch LCD display. Easy to read. Improve safety through the fatigue driving alert feature. Stay awake. Avoid speeding with the overspeed alarm. Drive responsibly. Track your journey with the trip meter. Know your distance. Universal compatibility suits all vehicles. Easy installation. List number 3. Car Digital GPS. Discover the Aliexpress Digital GPS Speedometer, designed for a seamless driving experience. Its clear LCD display shows speed and direction, making navigation easy. Track driving distance and altitude effortlessly with this handy tool. Stay alert with the overspeed warning, keeping safety in check. Perfect for any vehicle, this device enhances your driving with essential information at a glance. Advantages: stay informed with real-time speed data. The Aliexpress GPS Speedometer clearly displays your vehicle's speed, helping you avoid tickets and stay safe on the road. Improve navigation through compass direction. This feature guides you, ensuring you always know which way you're headed, making trips smoother and more efficient. Track driving distance effortlessly. Keep tabs on how far you've traveled, great for long journeys or monitoring vehicle use. Stay safe with overspeed alerts. The Aliexpress speedometer warns you when you're driving too fast, promoting safer driving habits. Monitor altitude for a better driving experience. Knowing your altitude can be useful for adjusting driving techniques, especially in varied terrain. List number 4. Meter Racing W Pro. Upgrade your vehicle's dashboard with the Motor Meter Racing W Pro Series GPS Speedometer. This device features a sleek black dial with a bright white LED display. It's waterproof, making it perfect for cars, trucks, boats, and motorcycles. Easily track speeds up to 120 miles per hour with precision. The digital odometer adds convenience and reliability to your journeys. Ideal for those seeking both style and function. Advantages: accurate GPS tracking ensures reliable speed measurement. No more guessing. Easy to read black dial with white LED. Perfect for night driving. Waterproof design suits all vehicles, including boats and motorcycles. Digital odometer offers precise mileage tracking. Helps manage vehicle maintenance. Universal fit makes installation simple on cars, trucks, and yachts. List number 5. Mode GPS Digital. Discover the Google Mode GPS Digital Speedometer, ideal for all vehicles. Its LED display shows large, clear numbers. Easy installation with the included USB cable, just plug and play. Perfect for cars, trucks, and golf carts. Enjoy safe driving with accurate speed readings at a glance. Enhance your travel experience effortlessly. Advantages: easy to install and use with plug-and-play design. No hassle. Large LED display offers clear visibility in all conditions. Always readable. Accurate speed readings keep you informed and safe on roads. Drive confidently. Universal compatibility fits any vehicle type effortlessly. Broad application. USB power ensures continuous operation without draining your car battery. Reliable performance.